guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special recipe for you guys today that you can try out this weekend if you like, and it is a healthier version of a creamy mushroom pasta. And for that I have taken some bell peppers and onions. As you can see, you can add garlic, you can add tomatoes as you like. I'll just roast all of these vegetables, and to that, I'll be adding some paneer instead of cheese. Yes, I'll be using paneer instead of cheese for this recipe. It's going to be absolutely creamy. You won't miss the cheese. And by cheese, I mean processed cheese. So it is a healthier version, a healthier alternative, you can say. So let's get started, and let me show you how I do them, how I roast all of these vegetables, and everything in the process. So this is how I am just, roasting all of these vegetables in the stove itself, and this is how they turned out. I'll let it cool and I'll grind everything together along with some paneer in this jar, blend it all together. To that I'll be adding some salt, oregano, chili flakes, garlic powder. That's it, a little bit of water. And to the karai, I've added all of the mixture along with some butter, and you can see I'm stirring it. To this, I'll be adding a little bit of pasta sauce that I had. You can add a little bit of tomato as well. So I just had this pasta sauce, and it is a good, clean ingredient pasta sauce. So I'm using that. To this, I'll be adding some chili flakes, oregano, and a bit of garlic powder, and I'll stir everything together. For the pasta, I'll be using wheat pasta, and that is again a healthier alternative than your regular pasta. So I've boiled the pasta and I'm placing the half cooked pasta onto the sauce and let it simmer for a bit. Now to this I've added a little bit of spring onions, and I'm chopping up some mushrooms and broccoli. I'll just pan fry this for a bit and then I'll add it in the pasta. Honestly, adding the mushrooms into the pasta is going to add on to the creaminess of the pasta. Since I've not used any kind of processed cheese in this recipe, so this is going to be an added flavor. So that's about it. That's pretty much the recipe. Give it a good mix and you are done. I hope you like this version of the healthier, creamier mushroom pasta recipe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.